Where can you find Avast SecureLine VPN log files? For troubleshooting purposes, Avast support representatives may ask you to provide them with SecureLine VPN log files. To find log files, go to c:/program data/avast software/avast/log and look for the VPN_engine.log file. If you are still using an older version of Avast antivirus, the file could be named SecureLine.log. Note, if you cannot locate the program data folder in your system, follow the instructions on the Windows support page, show hidden files, later.